Talk about how can you fix this problem on your Doordash app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Doordash app, or just click on search, then here at Doordash app is going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on force stop, then you click on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then you search here for DoorDash app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.